The good and bad of owning and using a drone, HoverAir X1 Pro Max. All starts well. A little paranoid about the drone sodding off, as it has done previously. Has a tendency to lose connection and stops following for no apparent reason. That then makes me double guess it all the time. Paranoia sets in. Once I start to get the confidence that it is following, it hits the smallest branch and sods off into the bloody hedgerow. I spent an hour and 30 minutes looking for the thing. Ended up finding it, but up in the bottom of the hedgerow. Thankfully, the drone, once crashed, will sound off a bleeping noise. As long as the battery does not come detached, as it did later on. Excuse my poor language, I was starting to throw my toys out the pram.
Oh, sake, where's the car? Oh, whatever. Oh, circle. Yeah. Then decided to fuck off.
It does have cool features, like dolly track, zooms in and out, and many others. Very cool. I gave it another go, only to lose it again. Battery disconnect, and I spent another hour looking for it, lots of swear words. Good job I was in the middle of nowhere on my own. I need to spend more time with this drone, to better use and understand it. Ultimately, I now need the HoverAir beacon. This unit connects with the drone and fits on the handlebars. You can watch the drone in real time and even watch it crash as it happens, joy, but at least I can then hopefully locate it. I also use the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The Follow Me feature is not great for following bikes, doesn't keep up. Amazing for aerial shots, landscapes, etc. Maybe I'm just too old to play with tech, but I will persist.
New HoverAir Pro Max 1 Follow Me drone. Is it worth it? Right, well, right at the moment I'm going to say probably not. I've just spent nearly 2 hours, an hour and 45 minutes respectively, looking for the bloody drone on a nice trail at the middle of nowhere with very little, if any, obstacle, only to have the thing disappear, resulting in me having to go looking for it on foot. The first time took a bit longer because I hadn't realised I'd lost it. I eventually found it because it was bleeping. The second time I found it by accident. It switched itself off, so therefore it wasn't bleeping. I don't know if this is a design fault or my fault, or the fact that they're trying to make me buy more, because the only way around this I can see is by buying the beacon, which is an extra 150, 200 quid, which then shows you via a attachment that you put on the handlebars, a screen, shows you where it is, and I guess then you can see when it's sodded off or you've lost it. Either way, it's more money, more hassle, more. Rant over for now, so I've packed it away. Oh yeah, I've got a broken propeller as well, propeller on it, which I've now got to replace. So it's 2 hours out of a short winter day that I could have done without, really. So it's packed away, and now I'm going to concentrate on the ride instead.